Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition. It comes finished in the colour Ultra Blue and features the 2-litre TDI diesel engine paired with the S-tronic automatic gearbox and quattro all-wheel drive system for a smooth and capable driving experience. This Q5 is very stylish. It sits nicely on 20-inch alloy wheels and features matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 515 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,515 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have a gorgeous part leather interior featuring ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel, to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit you've got access to different driving data like your average consumption and a driver assist display. There's also your audio, telephone and navigation menus. You can show the map on the display, which is convenient when following guidance. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to features like DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, in the media section you can play your own music. Here you've got USB and Bluetooth connectivity. In the telephone menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system has built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, allowing you to access compatible applications from your phone directly on the screen. In your car menu you have the Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes that change the vehicle's performance and handling. Throughout the interior there's background lighting with a wide selection of colours to choose from so you can add your own personal touch. There's great driver assist features like Audi Presense and Active Lane Assist to keep you safe and secure while on the go. This Q5 has front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera, and there's even park assist, making parking as easy as possible for you. Below the touchscreen you'll find your 3-zone automatic climate control. It does include heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console here you have your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake. There's also your wireless phone charger for convenient device charging. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition finished in Ultra Blue. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.